Hello, I am Dr. Scout. I am from LGBT Health Link. We are a project of Centerlink, the community of LGBT centers. And every week we bring you the top LGBT health and wellness news after scanning the research and all the media stories around the country. So let's get right to it and find out what the top news is for the week of June 27th, 2015. Yes! So, of course, the biggest news this week is the legalization of same-sex marriage. Did you know that legal marriage is protective of your health? Legally married people live longer, smoke less, are more likely to survive cancer, and more. Future health surveys will mark this week as a watershed one in the history of our health. There's more big news this week coming from the feds. The Obama administration has ordered insurance companies to cover transition services for federal employees. Hallelujah. Granted, we realize insurance companies will still try to exclude individual services, but now we can fight it more effectively. We know that getting good care at medical visits can be a challenge. This week, Mashable has put up a list of 6 things LGBT people can do to get the most out of every medical appointment, including referencing our own Healthcare Bill of Rights. So check it out. It's got some great information. Next up, a new study looked at LGBT movies and found that tobacco was used on film an average of every 15 minutes. Researchers think that this normalizes tobacco, and its use in movies probably contributes to the insanely high tobacco use rates among queer folks. Can we agree that tobacco doesn't need Hollywood star power? It's hurting us just fine on its own. Thank you very much. So how do you find trans-friendly healthcare in somewhere like North Dakota? Introducing RAD, a new project that is also done by one of our buddies, a Yelp-style database of healthcare providers who are trans-friendly or specialize in trans care. What do you think of RAD? We think it's great. So check it out and be sure and add your favorite provider. Next up, in a new youth study by our friends at the Family Acceptance Project, they found that being open about one's LGBT identity to more people was strongly linked with life satisfaction. And the more social support an LGBT youth experiences, the better their mental health as a young adult. So the authors call for increased level of social support for our youth, something we heartily agree with. And you know we always like to end on a good note. A few weeks back, we reported on a landmark lawsuit in New Jersey putting conversion therapy on trial as consumer fraud. Today, we're happy to say that the case has been won. The therapists have to refund thousands of dollars, and more importantly, the tide continues to turn against this dangerous practice nationwide. Can't happen a moment too soon. So that is it. That is your LGBT Health and Wellness Roundup for this week. Enjoy the celebration, everybody. We more than deserved it. And whatever happens, please take care of your health the same time we celebrate our pride.